Welcome to the EDA lab. The first thing we're going to do is find the BioPack icon on the computer, select this, and then go to Lab 9, the EDA lab. Now we can put in our subject's name and any other information we might need to indicate. Now click No, and we're ready to set up our subject. The next 3 slides will take you through how to set up the electrodes and their corresponding leads on the subject. Once you've done this, you can then begin the calibration. Once the calibration is complete, this screen will appear. Remember, we are not using a respiration strap, so ignore any instructions regarding that value. Now is the time to decide the order of questions and tasks you will have the subject complete. Each subject will answer the same questions, but they must all be asked in a different order so the subject cannot prepare for the next task. Once the order is decided, make sure the subject is facing a blank wall with all of the group members and the questioner standing behind the subject. The subject should not be allowed to see the screen until the test is complete. Here is an example of what the tester should see during an EDA lab. As you ask questions, click F2, F3, F4, and so on to indicate that a new task is being performed. For example, after 30 seconds of resting with eyes closed, press F2. Then tell the subject to recite the alphabet backwards as quickly as possible. And after 20 seconds, press F3 and ask the next question. Keep repeating these steps until all of the tasks have been performed. After you've asked all of the questions, scroll down and click Suspend. Now that you have the data, we can start to analyze it. Select the cursor as shown and begin highlighting sections between the arrows above. These arrows represent the beginning of a new question being asked. So now you can go through, highlight a section, and find the peak heart rate and EDA while the subject is completing each specific task, as well as what their heart rate and EDA were before they began the task. Do this by changing the tabs as I am doing above. If you need to zoom in on a section to get a more specific value, use the magnifying glass on the sidebar to accomplish this.